This is HSS-CP.B.6. The way they organize these objectives is the early objectives are about the concepts of independence, conditional probability, those types of things. Then the later objectives, those that have a B on them, deal with the actual calculating of the probabilities. It's hard to distinguish those two, and to be separated like by 3 or 4 standards just doesn't make sense. So you'll find that what I do anyways when I teach this, I teach the earlier one that's about conditional probabilities, the theory, the Venn diagramming, the understanding of the material, and then I move to the actual calculating of those things. So I move these around a little bit, but basically it says calculate the conditional probabilities, use the Venn diagrams to help you out. The actual objective says find the conditional probability of A given B as a fraction of B's outcomes that also belong to A, and interpret that as a model. That's a lot of words for what I think you should already know is that the probability of A given B is the probability of A and B over the probability of B. Now, again, a fairly technical thing, but the Venn diagram unlocks this nicely. Again, the concept, I kind of explained this in one of the earlier objectives, but again, I think it's important to do this. If you haven't seen this idea here, this is invaluable. So if you want to help a student understand the probability of A given B, B has just happened, it's done. So none of this can happen because B just happened. So the only way to get an A value now, the probability of an A event happening, is just what's in the intersection, the part that's common with B, because it's in the B set now. And so it's the probability of A and B, the intersection, over B, because just B just occurred. And you see this nicely also in a two-way table, but we hit it one more time here.